Let's make it faster. So we are talking about should. They should be on their way to Chennai. It's a guesswork or assumption. So we are using it. Then the negative form of should and should. A negative form of should, shouldn't, or you can use it as should not. Either of the forms. Shouldn't is nothing but the short form of not, N-O-T. That's all the difference. Only when it comes to with will, you have a different form altogether. Will not or won't. But otherwise, we have the same format. May not. Okay. Should not, or shouldn't. In this N-O-T only will be making difference. So you should not tease others. You should not waste your time. We should not waste our time. Okay. These are the ways of using the should and should not, shouldn't. Next, coming to can. Can is the most commonly used word in our vocabulary. Okay. For every little thing, we are going to use can. I can do this, I can't do this, I can do this. Okay, I can go, I can lift, I can talk. The most commonly used word by everyone. So the commonly used model in English by everyone in every profession. The can is really used maximum. It can express the ideas such as the capacity, permission, request, and many other things. Okay. So let us see what this can first of all do it. You know what is capacity, children? Yes. To express capability, ability, capacity, or power. The can is used for all these things. To express the one's power, you can use can. I can bring lot of changes. It's simply someone trying to tell us his power. Okay, that if I want this to happen, and that I can make that happen. That is power. I can lift. Last time I have given you, when we were talking about the models, I have given you can and then one boy lifting weight. I can lift this. It's the ability of a person. I can speak in English. I can speak in French. I can speak in multi languages. I am a multilinguist. Okay. So the capacity a person possesses can be expressed by using can. The ostrich is the fastest running animal, the bird that we can say. Okay, this is showing its capacity. Examples I have given you for you. Raghavan can lift 60 kg sack, the ability, and 60 kg sack. Sometimes I have seen some people, the workers, carrying the heavier than these loads. Really, what to do for earning their livelihood? Radha can pass MBA examination, capability. Okay, she has such a stamina, she has such ability, the mental power, capacity. Okay, the knowledgeable person, so she can easily crack MBA exam. Can you understand English language? Okay, can you understand English language? Do you have the capacity of speaking and writing or understanding this particular language? Capacity. Next, we are moving on to some more examples. She can speak French. He can come in now. The permission that we are giving. May I come in? Okay. You may come in. Can you lend me your pen, please? A request. See, can also used for request. Shall also used for request. Will you go with me? Can be used for request. Depending upon their degrees. Children, these are all right words using in the right place. Okay. So models, most of the models have few common function in all of them. Then the past form of can is could. It expresses possibility, past ability, as well as suggestions and requests. What are those things? Here you see the possibilities. The old man looking at the children, he must be thinking of his past capacity. See, when I was child, I was running like this. So I could run this way. I would run that manner. Hmm? So many. Could you please draw the curtain? So the request. Examples you have here. Extreme rain could cause the river to flood the city. Possibility. John could run very fast when he was younger. Past ability. See, these are all only the few examples in the usage of these words I am giving you, children. We are going to do lot of exercises on these models. And today evening I am going to give you a worksheet based on models, because last week I could not give you, since I could not complete all the models. Today by the end of this session I am going to complete. Then evening you can have a worksheet, and then tomorrow based on these models also you will have again a test. Tomorrow you have English test, you will have models plus few other topics that we have already covered. We could go to the ice cream parlor or stay at home. It's a suggestion, decision making time. Okay. Then may also most commonly used word for the people who are humble. Otherwise, some of the people do not want to use may because they feel below their dignity. But then using may is very good thing. Okay, for request. It is most commonly used to express possibility. It can also be used to give or ask for permission. May I come in? You may come in. Okay, for both the purposes we can use, either for asking permission or you are giving permission. Can I go? You may go. May I come in? You may come in. I'm just repeating the same words to make you understand the role of this may in a sentences. But very hardly I can hear students or anybody else using this word may. Okay, children. See, ask before you borrow my things. Anything you want to borrow from your friends, it's better we use ask permission. It may rain. Okay, so it might be late, so someone is rushing and people are here and then they are under puzzle. What is that going to happen? May start or may not start the program, the puzzle. Examples for may. Maria may be at school or at home. Possibility. Because usually the teachers are there at school every day. So you must say during this time, since she is teacher. Suppose she is a doctor, you will say she may be at hospital or treating the patients. If you know already the schedule, you can even guess exactly what the person is doing up. May he leave the room with me? Asking for a permission, I have already used it. May you or may I? It's for both, asking permission or giving permission. Yes, he may leave the room with you. See here, it's a giving permission. We are using the may and we are also asking permission. We are going to use may. And children, remember, when we use these models in the right time, in the right place, it really adds to your personality. Okay, so better we learn to use them in our day-to-day life. Might. It is more commonly used to indicate possibility. However, it can also be used to make suggestion or request. This is rare use. Might we don't use most of the time. We commonly use may only. It may rain today. Even for guesswork, the possibility suggestions. Okay, we are using may only. But it is not wrong if you are using might. Might also has got the same function. Your backpack might be under the desk. Okay, just guessing. Someone is searching for its spectacles or something. uh, Early morning, this is our job, right? Just before leaving to school you will be searching for your pouch. I have just kept here and I can't find it. So it might be under the near the TV. Your mother must be shouting from the kitchen. It might be there, it might be there, here, there, and we will be running up and down searching for a thing. Okay, your friends also could suggest you. You might visit that particular temple. I have already visited and it's beautiful. It's worth visiting. Okay, suggestions also can be given to your friends. Okay, you can say the tour places also. You can suggest go to Hyderabad. You can say it's a suggestion by using might. In this, I might I open the door? We don't use this might, but it is there in the British standard. But commonly we don't use might I open. Instead, we use shall I open the door? We say, or can I open the door, ma'am? You say, right? No, we don't use might, but then there is a use in British standard. Then the next we are going to must. This must has plenty of roles to play, children. Okay, it can be used to talk about certainty, that is something you are almost sure is true. Moreover, it can be used to talk about obligation, prohibition, necessity, a strong recommendation. Okay, a student sometimes can use must, when you have studied and you have written very well, and then you must, when you are talking to your friends, you will say teacher must give 100 marks because such I have performed my test. I'm trying to tell you how to use this must, where to use this must, for 100% sure that things should happen. Okay, and then you can use this must. And then few more other functions of must. What do I say? Obligation, prohibition, necessity, a strong recommendation. Shall we look at the examples? Few examples I have sought out for you. She must be sick. She never gets late to school. Probability. Why? Because someone, your friend, she is a regular candidate for the school. She never absents herself to the school. Suddenly, if she is absent, then it is a very rare case. So she has a reason for not coming to school. Understand, children? So if that is the case, you are very sure she must be sick. Okay, and that is the reason why she did not come to school. Students must pass an entrance examination to study at this school. So earlier we have, even for doing B.Ed, our B.Ed, we will have to write our entrance test. Even when we have to go for our PG in Andhra, we have this entrance test. Only if you are qualified, then only you will be permitted to study the higher education, you can acquire higher qualifications. You can join in the university. So few schools will have entrance test. Only if you pass. So you say, students, those who are seeking admission in our school must pass the entrance exam, entrance test. So, okay, it's a necessity. You must drink a lot of water to protect your voice. Okay, strong recommendation. Now, because of Corona, everybody is asked to drink hot water and so many other things. Everything is under must. Sarah, you must always do your homework. Obligation. Parent is telling, teachers are telling. It's your obligation that you do your homework. We have got next one, ought to. It is used to advise or make recommendations, and it can also be used for assumptions and other things. Okay. She ought to stop. It's like someone deserves something, and then it's our right to express our right. Sam ought to get this promotion because he has worked hard. This is how we make use of our ought to explain. I think with this we end our session, children. And then please remember, you will be getting today evening. The exercise is based